Hi guys, it's Sophia. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Hope you're having a great day, a great weekend. I'm back to share some projects that I created with some fun new dies from In Love Art Shop, and I'll link their information in the description box below so you can check them out. I was able to try out some of their dies, and I had fun picking a few from their shop. So I picked this one out, which is a wavy border die, really cute. And then I picked this one out, and it's a really good size. So I think I'm going to be doing a scrapbook layout with this one, which I haven't done in a while. So I'm excited to try a layout. And it gets a cute little flower here, leaves, and this fun little circle there. And then I picked out this die that says Hello Summer. Really cute. This one is like a frame die, and it cuts a scallop circle from the middle and also cuts out a butterfly from the center there. And then this one here is another smaller frame die with the scallop bottom, and it also cuts a fancy little butterfly from the center there. So those are the dies that I picked out, and I did cut a few of them out just so you could see what they look like. So this is the frame die, and as you can see, it cuts the scallop circle, and this is the butterfly cut out from the center. So really cute, delicate little butterfly. And then this one is the border, the wavy border, and I thought it was so nice. Really cute size, and it cut really well. So love that one. And then here's the circle that I shared, and again, really good size. Especially, I'm thinking a scrapbook layout, so I decided to leave these sections in the flower, although they will cut out like this as well. But I wanted to try some watercoloring on the petals to add colors, so I decided to leave the paper in there and see how that turns out. And then I did create a few little projects. So this is the start of a mini banner, and I think I love the way it turned out so far. So I just cut a small banner shape and did some stitching. And then after I did the stitching, I layered some fussy cut pieces from the paper collection, some little frames back there, and then I created a little rosette with some tails and added that. And then here's the sentiment from In Love Art's shop. I cut out the Hello Summer twice using white cardstock and then some glittery blue cardstock. So then I just kind of layered them and offset them to give it a shadow. And I love how that looks. Added a few little die cut pieces, some bling, and so that's the first little banner piece. And I created a memory dex card, and this one I used this die here, and I was looking at it, so then I flipped it this way, and it looked like a cute little memory dex card base to me, so I decided to use it this way, and it's the perfect size for a memory dex card. And then I just used my Heidi Swap memory dex punch for the bottom here to cut the notches, and then I just layered another piece of pattern paper, used some tulle to make a shaker at the bottom there, and then layered some flowers, a little frame, this little butterfly, and some gold thread there, and these little vellum butterflies, and the sentiment that says have courage and be kind. And all of these projects are using the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams paper collection, which I am loving right now. Love the collection. So then I use the frame die, this one here that I just shared. So this one is using this die here, and I didn't use the butterfly on this card, but I did cut out the frame, and then I decided to make a shaker as well, but I wanted to add sequins only to the two side pieces or areas, and I wanted the pattern paper to show through the top here and the bottom here. So I like the way that looks too, with the shaker on the two sides and not on all four sections. But, you know, maybe next time I'll add it there too. So I was just playing around with that. Used tulle for the shaker, and then I did pop up the frame using just foam tape. And let me see. So for the middle here, I added white Nuvo drops on all of the little scalloped areas. And then I die cut another scallop circle using one of the pattern papers, and then I die cut another circle using some gold cardstock, and just layered some fussy cut pieces, a little prize ribbon here, butterflies, I think I got 3 of them here, and the sentiment here. And then some Nuvo drops in gold glitter, and just little bling pieces on the butterflies. So that's the card there. Haven't really done much to the inside yet. So yeah, these are my projects. I created a card, a memory decks card, and a mini banner piece. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed taking a look. And again, take a look at In Love Arts shop, and they're also on Instagram, so I'll leave their information below in case you want to check out the shop. They have really quick shipping, and then also the shipping is really reasonable. So yeah, really cute dies, and I know they're getting more designs in. So alright guys, thanks for stopping by and taking a look. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.